I'm also the secretary of Penzance Premier RPC. That's all the unicorn clocks updated. All the ETS rings being put on or assigned. Secretary's job just carries on and on and on. But someone's got to do it. Must be coming up to race day. Patio furniture getting a clean. Ali shouting. Maybe. Come here, come here, come here. Lovely. He's off a 666 in the Daughter of the Hulk. Won the combine last year. He's handling nice. I wasn't going to send him, but he's going. I was just going to send a few late bred ones.
What, none of your old ones?
Not the cocks, only going to send the ends.
Right.
But he's handling really good, he is. I might have to handle some of these cocks. Steady boy, steady boy.
They were looking good in the basket yesterday.
Sorry?
They look good in the basket from training.
This is the one's clean. This is one of those early breds. Lovely pigeon. 82353. Beautiful handling pigeon. Cracking eye on him. Lovely colour as well. He got that bit of bronze in him.
Pretty. Will he lose that when he molts?
He could well do, yeah. I've got his ETS rings to put on there as well.
Oh yeah. Need to test them as well.
No, I scanned them. They're all working. I just didn't bother putting them on while I was training. So I'm going to leave these few out because these few wouldn't have paired up.
These are the late bred youngsters from end of last year.
Yes. Yeah, November break pigeons. And so is that one. That one I just handled.
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to let the hens through that little cubby hole in here. So you know what's going on, so we can go. Let them roll down there.
That one there's limping.
Yeah, I know, it's got a broken leg. There's a cock with a broken leg and a hen with a broken leg. Yeah, if you can come out, so the hens come down this way as well. Close the door and put it through the wires. Yeah, music. Two hens in the same box fighting. This was our first bird one week, but she hasn't got it. I don't think. If she makes the season, she won't make the team next year. I don't think. Coming back late from training. I don't know whether she's been affected by the hawks. We'll see. Pick up the older ones first and leave the yearlings. Have a little bit more time with them. 75947, 22 pigeon. Nice and pink in the mouth. Cleaned up all right. This is one of Brian Hawes' hens. 30731. Nice powerful hen. Could do with cleaning up a little bit more. Eyes nice and bright, wattles are nice and clean. Feathers are nice and tight. Feathers tend to tighten up with fitness. Now this little hen is paired up. She's paired to a cock, but she's also paired up to a hen, and she's laid. She's handling okay. 76073, 22 pigeon. Bit of a wriggler. Eyes looking good. Skin's nice and pink, little bit scaly. Nice and pink down the throat. And good she is. Another 22 pigeon. 76083. Feathers aren't feeling quite as tight. clean. Could have done with bulking up a little bit more. But I didn't give them any maize this week. See, it's the first race. Just gave them their wood food. Beautiful and soft feather on this one. 76058. Lovely little hen. Very buoyant. Blown up quite nice. Right, start picking up some of these yearling hens. Nothing wrong with her, she's just not blown up like the rest of them. This one's looking good. Plenty of size to her. Bulked out nicely. $608.76. This is the hen that was fighting with that first hen. 23A60817 blue-pied hen. I think she'll beat that other one home. Two bull eyes. That's the pied in her. Tiny checker hen. This is one of the late bred hens. Some crackers in there. First ever race. 82352. Nice little hen. Bit of experience for tomorrow. Sounds nice. 60896. Blue-pied hen. Don't think she'll be too far away. 60896. So far, this is my pick. Eye is like a piece of glass. So clear it is. Body on her, shape of the tail. The tail tends to go nicely together. One tail flight, that's what they call one tail flight. When the tail goes together and it's basically one flight. sign of condition more than fitness and everything. .60878. This is a Johnny Panis pigeon. This one scored well last year. She's nice, she won't be far away. .60892. Tomorrow should be a yearling race. What mice she has?
A bit older.
No. Oh, 21, she was a consistent end last year. She's a 2019 pigeon. 30921. I won't send her every week, but I will send her this week because the rest of the hens are going. She shouldn't be any of the yearlings or 2-year-olds, but she was consistent last year. I'll send her this week. She'll probably have a couple of weeks off and then jump her into 120 mile. .76044, previous combine winner. 22 pigeon, pearl eye. Nice. D99642. One of the late breds. He's all right. A60769. She's nice. A60868. Lovely pigeon in the hand. Bottles are nice and white, fraction heavy. Another late bred, tiny hen, 82356. Little hen. What did he think? Right, what girls have we got left here? A 60902. Quite a shallow pigeon. Not my cup of tea. I see you up there hiding. 23A 60901. Got a nice lot of yearlings in this team. Can beat yearlings for sprint racing. Flat lead. Nice yeah. Oh, this is nice. Remember last year in all the videos we was talking about a pigeon that had the split tail?
Oh yeah.
This is her. No split tail.
Ah, so she molted it out.
She's molted it out. Lovely little hen, Johnny Panis hen. Dirk Van den Bok, Johnny Panis. 60895. Handling pretty well. She didn't come into it last year until the distance got a little bit further. But I don't think she'll be far away tomorrow.
Did you say you checked all their ETS rings?
Yes. Right, what girls we got left here? We've got you. Little girl here. I'm not going to send this hen. This is the old Bushart hen. She's a 2018 hen. 21711. She's an old Bushart hen. I won't bother sending her this week. I might send her next week. But I'll keep her for the longer races. She's just a steady hen. She ain't gonna tear up no skies in a sprint race. She can stay here. Any more hens? I've got that red hen up there, but I need to cockate with you. You're not a boy. You're a cock. You're a cock. You're a cock. You're a cock. Just that red hen. Do something different with this hen because I'm going to send that cock as well. Oh, she's acting good. I'm going to put this cock in with the hen. No, I'm going to put this hen in with the cock. Just give them a minute.
Is she up there in that box that she was in?
Oh. Don't know why I put her in there. So you want to go in there? Yeah. So now what I'll do, I'll leave her in there. Put it on the outside. You can see that hen in the box. So that'll make him eager.
Come back.
Yeah,
She's not
full of
going,
it.
but he is.
She's going
See
racing
him
as well.
shining.
But he was handling good. So now what we'll do, it's long enough for him, we'll take him out. She's handling good too. 783. You're handling good. Right, so just these few cogs are going now.
Well, those three.
Those three, that one.
They're the youngsters.
They're the one, and this one. Yep.
That old one.
No, this is one of those lake reds.
Do you need an ETS then?
Yes.
Do any of those others need ETS?
Yeah, all on. Those catches are closed that side.
Yeah. Trolley going in as well? No.
Trolley. Sorry?
Trolley. Not taking it.
No. So we can see each other. Okay. That's
luck.
it.
See you tomorrow, babies.
Right, Joe, I better get on because I've got to try to sort out my. Right on, mate. See you later. Cheers. Bye. Doesn't give you any confidence. 13 days to get back to anybody on the phone. You might be coming down this way, Al,
Okay.
simply because
It's your dad's
Dad's buggy.
thing.
that east wind will push them down that north side. It could even come from behind because it's
Your dad said they're going to be eye.
trouble is they don't like trapping with the wind up
No.
on that side. They'll definitely come in from
They'll
behind.
probably circle. Quiet. That's Isla just telling them where to come. Come here. Come on. Did Joey see quite a lot go over? Here they come. They are down the valley.
Are they?
Yeah.
Coming up through the valley. Come on in, come on, 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 come on. Straight over the top. Come on in. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in. Come on. Come on in. Come on, 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 come
How do you think Daddy's done today?
Being far behind. It all depends what time Joey. If they're doing over 60 miles an hour, he may beat Joey. But if they're just under 60 miles an hour, I think your dad could do it.
Be a good start, wouldn't it? For the first, be a good start for the first one.
Blue-pied hen. Don't think she'll be too far away. 60896. So far, this is my pick. Eyes like a piece of glass. So clear it is. Well, Sunday morning, beautiful weather down in Cornwall. Just had the hens out and they're around. So they've been out at a bath, a little tiny bit of Burke-on-S in the water there, just in case they've got anything in the basket or anything. They always have a little sip, should knock anything on the head. But yeah, they've had these ones went out for a fly. They only flew for about 20 minutes. So I put the bath down and they've all had a bath, but then we got that lot over there. I don't know if you can see them. They've been flying for an hour now. You know, all of these pigeons went yesterday, but it was a tailwind, so it didn't really take much out of them. Had 23 drop together, really pleased with that. Nice team performance. Love it when they go and have a bath. Sunday mornings is their day. They can go and have a bath, they can have a lounge around. I leave the trap open, the door open. If they want to go in and out, they can do. They've got the cocks boxes. The cocks are pushed through into the hen section, and then the cocks will have exactly the same, although only a few cocks went yesterday, but they'll have exactly the same. Loving the bit of sun. Best medicine you can give a pigeon. Try to get a bit of sun going in your loft. If you can get a bit of sun going in your loft, you'll see the pigeons when they're relaxing, they'll lie in the sun just like they are now and soak the sun up. Really good for pigeons. But really pleased with the team performance yesterday. Roll on next week. It's southeast wind next week, which is still going to be a quick race for us. Unusually quick. We was doing 1900 yards a minute. Like I said, we had 23 drop together. We got a 5-bird rule in the club, fed and combine, so there's only 5 birds that go on the result, but all 23 would have been on the result. And I was pleased to see, I don't think she's in. No, I can't see her there. But I was pleased to see that the hen that was my first pigeon, for all the people that's been watching my YouTube videos, last year I had a pigeon, 895. If you remember, she had what I called a split tail. Her 2 outside tail flights was forked, and they were slightly lower than the rest of her tail. Well, she won the combine on the last race last year as a young bird, and her nestmate was my first pigeon yesterday. They're out of a pair of Johnny Panis pigeons that myself, my dad and Darren Hunt, we bought a round direct from Johnny Panis just before he signed the contract with Flanders Collection. And we had a round of youngsters off of him. We still got them all. And to be fair, there's some decent pigeons in there. Quite undervalued, I think. But it's the wins that count. So I had a report back yesterday of another bloke. He had some Panis pigeons. He bought them from one of the auctions with Elite Pigeon Auctions, and the hen that he bought bred his winner yesterday. So yeah, there's some good pigeons in the Johnny Panis pigeons. Herman McAvoy over in Ireland, he was I believe it was 6th Open NIPA with 1 and 8th Open NIPA, something like that. Anyway, it was pretty high up in the NIPA against 10,500 pigeons, so they can definitely do it. Anyway, that's enough of me waffling on. Sunday morning, it all starts from here. Once these go in and the doors close up, they're on their program for next week's race. So this evening they'll go out for another fly, but they won't be allowed to sit around like this. This is it. This is their only opportunity to have a bath, have a lounge around, and soak up the sun. Anyway, onwards and upwards. Hope everybody had a good race and good returns. Speak to you soon. If you like the contents of my videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.